What does laid off mean? Laid off means that a worker loses their job because the company no longer needs their position. In simple words, laid off means losing a job due to company reasons, not because of poor performance. Companies usually lay off employees when they face financial problems, reduce staff, or reorganize their business. For example, many workers were laid off during the economic crisis. This means the company had to remove workers because of financial difficulties. Being laid off is different from being fired. When someone is fired, it usually means they did something wrong or did not perform well. But when someone is laid off, it usually happens because the company cannot keep the position anymore. Here are more example sentences. He was laid off when the factory closed. Several employees were laid off due to budget cuts. The company laid off workers to reduce costs. In simple terms, laid off means losing a job because the company cannot keep the position. Easy way to remember, laid off means job loss due to company reasons.